maybe you should give your baby some clean this morning too for water time. I am sunbathing today to get all of the virus or whatever heebie-jeebies was passed on to me. I am sunbathing and healing my eyes. My eyesight is increasing since I have been sun gazing. I keep all of my feminine energy balanced and calm these days with the sun and the birds at home with the granddaughter, maintaining and running our home while the mister and the daughter works. So every day is an adventure for me at 49. So it is accomplishable, women, especially in our later years. These are my menopausing years. Unfortunately for me, I started premenopausing at 38 years old. Hormones unbalanced due to Z-packs of antibiotics, radiation, chemo, everything that they give you to try to keep cancer under control, which led to tremendous weight gain from the steroids, just mood swings, just all type of horrible abnormalities. But here I am healing at 49. Fought my illness for 17 years, off and on. It wasn't detected in my younger years. Docs say that it comes from our abuser. So, yeah. Keep the faith. Keep praying. Go in nature, ladies. African American women, slow down. Be still. Try to find your identity. Once you know who you are, life gets better. Hey, peace out from young granny and her little grandbaby. It's not a mosquito bug. We have off and shea butter. You gonna say hi to the mosquito bug? Hi, mosquito bug.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so Gigi might need to rub you down with some neem oil too to keep the